Welcome to English with Miss Julia. In this lesson, we look at shapes, colors, and numbers. And we do this with Lucy the ladybug. I encourage you to stop the video regularly. Practice the vocabulary as well as the pronunciation. That being said, let's get started. Lucy the ladybug was a cheerful bug with a shiny red shell covered in perfect black spots. She loved to explore her garden and discover new things. Today, Lucy was on a special mission to learn about shapes, colors, and numbers. Lucy flew up to a blue tent in the shape of a triangle. "Hello, triangle tent," Lucy said. "You have 3 sides and 3 corners. Can I come inside?" The tent flapped its corners and replied, "Of course." Next, Lucy spotted a round red pond. "Wow, you're a big circle!" Lucy exclaimed. "Yes," the pond replied. "I'm perfectly round with no corners at all." "Can you count my fish?" Lucy giggled and counted. 1, 2, 3 little fish. Lucy buzzed over to a yellow picnic blanket. "Hello, square blanket," Lucy said. "You have 4 sides that are all the same length." The blanket laughed. "You're right. Can you count my sandwiches?" Lucy counted. 1, 2, 3, 4 sandwiches. Flying further, Lucy found a tall green garden gate. "You're a rectangle," Lucy said. "You have 2 long sides and 2 short sides." The gate creaked open and said, "Come in, Lucy." Lucy entered counting. 1, 2, sides are long. 3, 4, sides are short. Lucy landed beneath a tree with orange star-shaped leaves. "Oh, you're a star," Lucy said. "You have 5 pointy corners. Let me count them." She counted. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 points. Then Lucy came across a purple rock. "You're an oval," Lucy said. "You're long and round, like an egg." The rock laughed. "That's right, Lucy. Can you find my 3 shiny pebbles nearby?" Lucy searched and counted. 1, 2, 3 shiny pebbles. At the end of her journey, Lucy saw a beautiful rainbow arch bridge. "Wow!" Lucy said. "You have so many colors. Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, and purple." The bridge said, "Let's count them together." Lucy counted. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 colors. Lucy flew back to her cozy leaf home and looked at all the things she had learned. Shapes, colors, and numbers are everywhere, she said, feeling proud and happy. Lucy waved at her garden friends and said, "Let's keep exploring tomorrow. There's so much more to learn." Thank you for reading this story with us. If you enjoyed it, please click the like button and do consider subscribing to our channel. This way, we may reach learners from all over the world and assist them with their English language. We look forward to seeing you in our next lesson.